Hi, Annie O'Sullivan here with the premier home experts of RE/MAX Champions, and I want you to mark your calendars for March 24th from about 10 to 12. We are hosting a home buyers workshop. So why should you come? Well, I'm so glad you asked. Main reasons are 100. There's 100 reasons, and I'll get to that in a second. The reason why we're doing this is because we want to make sure that if you are in the market to look for a home, we're trying to educate you on what to expect, how to save the most money, how to make sure you actually have a winning bid that gets you the house of your dreams, and most importantly, how not to have all the headaches that you may have heard other people having, because they can be avoided. So, love to see you March 24th at between 10 and 12. If you put your information below, that reserves you a seat. Oh, and the 100 reasons? Yeah. We will be hosting an actual raffle giveaway. So just for you attending, you get a chance to walk away at the event, not like a week later, but at the event, $100 richer for coming. So love to see you there. Put in your information and see you soon.